Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Wednesday, October 16th, 2024. Jeremy Crosby here. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuning with us for your TF headlines as we work through this midweek. We start with a reminder of the referendum informational session coming up tomorrow night. The city of Fitchburg community has grown in demand for city services, including public safety and other core municipal services like infrastructure development and maintenance have also increased between 2013 and 2023. Fitchburg's population increased by nearly 34%. City staffing has not kept pace with the city expanding responsibilities. Its funding is approved. If funding is approved via referendum, the city would be able to hire additional staffing, additional personnel, including police officers, firefighters, and other core staff to continue to provide the service Fitchburg neighborhoods need and deserve. You can attend this informational session on Thursday night, October 17th at 6 p.m. It'll be at Fire Station number 3, 2950 South Sain Road here in Fitchburg. You'll be able to hear a presentation from our administration, and then they're there to answer your questions, any questions you have on referendum or overall just any information that you need to learn about this referendum. And if you can't make it out to this session, don't worry, there's still a few more to come. Next session will be held on October 21st at 6 p.m. It'll be hosted at Four Winds Farm, 5735 Adams Road in Fitchburg. And then October 28th, there'll be a virtual session at 6 p.m. Via online. Again, there to present the information and answer your questions. If you missed any of these sessions, you can go back and watch them. We have posted them up on our website, fitchburgwi.gov. Click on the referendum page to get your questions answered and to check out those videos. All right, turning our attention to some Halloween activities coming up. We've got a DIY Movable Mummies. Boy, does it sound like a lot of fun. It's on Thursday, October 17th. Get in the holiday spirit by making your own adorable, flexible mummy. It's a perfect craft to help you unwind. Of course, corpse it is. Of course it is. October 17th, 6 p.m., Fitchburg Public Library, 5530, right next to us here on Lacey Road. Coding for middle schoolers. A soft registration deadline is coming up for this from the Recreation Department. Program starts on Monday, November 11th. You can register by November 3rd. Having the minimum number of participants by this date ensures the program can run, so that's why we want to get this information out there. Nevertheless, Mondays from November 11th to December 5th, that's 5 total classes from 6 to 7:30 at the community center. Your kiddos can learn a little bit about instead of spending time playing video games, they can unlock your child's potential by learning some coding classes, and this coding not only empowers young minds with problem-solving skills, creativity, and confidence, but prepares them for a bright future in tech and beyond. The program goal is to help students learn how to create their own games using the completely online visual game creator. This class is designed for middle school age students who may have some experience in gaming, creating games and programs using programs like Scratch, Blockly, or Code.org. The only real requirement for the class is the desire to learn. Governor Tony Evers announced back in September a new WHEDA program in help repair and renew older homes in Wisconsin. Wanted to remind you of this. This new program is to provide low-interest loans to eligible homeowners to make structural repairs and energy-efficient updates to their homes. The More Like Home Repair and Renew Loan Program provides low-interest loans between $5,000 and $50,000 to owners of houses more than 40 years old. Homeowners can use these loans to finance crucial structural repair and energy-efficient updates such as roofing, insulation, plumbing, electrical, heating, air conditioning. Loans are available through the WHEDA's participating lenders. This announcement coming back in September. The deadline is October 25th at 11:59 p.m. We've got the link on our post here as we post these up each and every day on our website at at our social media page. That's YouTube. You can check that out and get signed up there. And finally, whooping cough or pertussis cases continue to climb in Dane County since back now to October 15th. We're up to 142 cases. Back in July, we shared that as the Public Health of Madison-Dane County shared information about whooping cough. And the problem is it's tricky because it starts off like a cold, very similar to a cold symptoms, maybe a runny nose, low-grade fever, beyond cough, but it can develop into something more during that time. So please make sure you stay on top of it and protect yourself this season. Have a great day, everybody.